shot. Look, you should just stop talking. I'm with 5 different breezies, and they said she don't even know me, but she like the way my clothes be. Designer, where'd you find the imprint on the back of the Levi? I took a shot and leave a bullet in your eye. Run and touch the sky. I mean jump and touch the sky. My bad, I get super high. I'ma be high until I die. Today until I die. Mama, I couldn't lie. I'm sorry for the things I choose, but this is the thing I do. See, yeah. I'm a lark, I'm a go-kart, gotta get it in. I'm faster than an African shooting at a dart. Oh, what you saying now? Cause Cam fly, never see ground. Yeah, see ground. Yeah, tell me who the life is. If you talk to me, then you must have met the illest. Yeah, even deaf niggas gon' feel this. I'm sorry if you don't feel this. Like, no hand niggas, but you gon' clap it up. Me and my niggas come around and yeah, we gon' clap it up. If you been talking stabbing and you can't back it up, I'm sorry, we pull in a black truck. Wow, you're out of fucking luck. But besides that fact, right now it's going down in my town. D-Town, Aurora A-Code. Shout out to a kid, motherfucker, they know. And we standing on stage, we pouring out the mo. And dear Mrs. Crocker, I'm sorry, I had to knock you out your rocker with this beat that went hard, and I took it way hard. Bow.